Okay, this is just a brief overview of my game Army Tactics. So, the first thing you will see is this main menu. We have 4 game modes. Campaign currently does not work. You can click on it, but nothing. You'll be confronted with a very dev-looking screen. Create army. You'll have to input the points that you want to be using for creating your army maximum, so that you can go against a 100-point army when you've got a 100-point army yourself. Currently, giants and dragons, they do work, but they don't have unit models, so it will look very weird and not really do what you want it to do. So let's just create a little army here. We'll call it Archer. We'll put an Archer down, Cavalryman, a Swordsman, and a Spearman. And we will save this army. You'll need to input the army name. We'll call it Video for now. The next thing you will see is Standard Battle. This is where you can choose to play with the armies that you have created. You'll see we have video here. And you can also, instead of choosing a second army to fight again, you can just click on a random army and then input the points, and the computer will create an army for you to fight against. But for now, we'll just choose again. All units have different abilities and different stats. You'll see this a lot better in the arena game mode. But for now, let's just see what happens here. During your turn, you can switch between which unit you want to move. So we'll just move our cavalry guy here so we can see what's going on. We'll just keep moving the cavalry. When you can attack a unit, you'll see this attack square. You'll see the cavalry ability was activated. He has a charge ability, so when he's at full health, he does a little bit of extra damage. And yeah, I mean, that's really the standard game mode sorted. When archers can do range abilities, so here you'll see swords, but when you have an archer, which we'll just get to here, you'll be able to see that the archer can do a range attack, and it's just a little target like that. So I'll leave this for a second, and we shall run another instance of the game because I can't be bothered to finish. So campaign, as I said, doesn't work, but we will show you arena. So you'll be I haven't made these unit bits bigger. Everything is still in development, very early stages. I hope to make some dev blogs as we go along. But you'll be confronted with choices of units to choose. You can see all of their stats here. We'll go with a ninja, we'll go with a cavalryman, and we'll go with a spearman. So each round, you'll get to choose another unit to add to your roster here. And the computer will get more and more points each round. Its percentage increase, so it will get harder and harder each time. And they'll create their own little army for you to try and beat. So you'll probably want to try and counter what they're doing. So we have a cavalry here. We'll probably want our cavalry to go after that archer there. Our ninja, he does double damage when he's behind. So we're going to try and get him behind that swordsman with our spearman covering the front. Then all you need to do is click continue. You'll see round 1 display and you'll get to fight. After each round, you'll get to choose another unit, and that's basically how Army works. I will be uploading some more videos, maybe hopefully some dev blogs as I keep constantly updating this, and also maybe some playthroughs of Arena as I get things a bit more balanced. But yes, this is the early look at the game. So let's just try and kill that archer here. Oh, almost dead. Go for him again. We'll probably want our cavalryman to keep attacking. But yeah. You'll see everything goes on here. I do wish to add abilities here, a lot more units, hopefully like a stats thing here, so when you're selected a unit, it just shows their stats here. But this is a very early version of the game, lots of ideas, lots to come.